Hey, coming up just in a week, well, a week from today when I'm shooting this video, but whenever you're watching this video, it could be just a few days away, but there'll probably still be time for you to sign up for it. And, you can come in just as a walk-in if you want to, but I like an RSVP just so I know how to kind of get the room set up. But it's going to be a lot of fun. This is for the Understanding the Soil Food Web class. It's going to be at the Johnson County Library branch, the White River branch of the Johnson County Library, not to be confused with the Greenwood Library. So this is over on 135, or just off of 135, just north of Smith Valley Road in Greenwood, the White River branch of the Johnson County Library. So April 23rd, Monday, this next Monday, at 6 o'clock. We'll go to about 8:30 or so. And we're going to do a little bit of a lecture and talking about why all these things are important, why these various critters and these other soil life things are important in the soil. But we're going to look at some of it too. I'll show you some slides of some things and some video of some things, but we'll also look at some things live in the class. Like this, for example. Let me show you this guy. Ever seen this before? This is a fungal hyphae. In other words, like a fungal strand. And I just picked this out of a piece of mulch, actually. But it grows everywhere in the soil, and most plants have a relationship with it. And it's just really cool stuff. Let's go over here and let's go this direction. Check this out. You can just see how intricate this is and how this stuff is just, there's smaller and smaller strands of it. And it's really, really cool. I don't know if you can get a good look at this like I can here, because the exposure is a little bit different on the software. So I don't have it set up quite right. Let's see if we can get a little closer and look at this piece right here. Yeah, maybe you can see that now. I don't know. But there's multiple pieces. There's like fresh white strands, almost like a pure white. Doesn't come through as good on the software, I don't think. But just, this is really, really fascinating. We'll look for some bacteria and some other critters. Try and get some of those out of some soil. I did that earlier this evening. Looked at some soil samples that had some bacteria in it. Now, those are a little bit tougher to get a look at, but I'm going to show you this because this mycorrhiza fungi, I'll talk about that and why that's really extremely important. But these are things that you don't want to destroy in your garden and your farm soils and so on. And I'll talk to you about how that all works. Look at that. I mean, that's just fascinating, isn't it? Look at that. So this stuff is what we want to preserve and nurture in our garden soils. So come check it out. April 23rd, that's this coming Monday, 6 o'clock at the White River branch of the Johnson County Library. I'll leave some links below so you can sign up for it, or to get information more about like what the topics are going to be, that kind of stuff. There is a Facebook page if you search for Understanding the Soil Food Web. I'll link that one as well. So I look forward to seeing you. If you got any questions, let me know. This will be great for kids. Kids will have a good time, I promise. So I hope to see you then.